You know it's a storm center when even Keith has the sweater
Yeah,
on.
big deal today.
This sweater is much maligned today, guys. I got Mr. Rogers pictures sent at me, and now I'm covering it with the blazer. So,
Wow.
you know, I thought red was like a nice.
And we thought you were dead inside.
Yeah, yes, I have feelings occasionally. I mean, I deleted all the negative emails about it, of course, but. But the important thing, guys, is the storm is behaving as we expected. That's what matters. And we're just shutting it down over southern Maine right now. I was talking before about the big fat flakes at the end of a storm, and here we are with nothing left. Anything that falls in this zone down to southern Cumberland County, southern York County is going to fall as freezing drizzle most likely. So we're pretty much done with snow. Still snowing in Freiburg and Lewiston, Augusta as well. And we've got the same dry air sucked into the storm in Bar Harbor, where they have changed over to some rain into northern or eastern parts of Washington County here. And it's still snowing pretty heavily in the mountains and across northern Maine, where the storm is still kicking here. That's where we expect maybe a little bit more total snow. Got off to a later start, and it will end later as well. So I know this from many disappointments as a weather weenie over the younger years. If a storm separates with this kind of dry slot, it's not filling back in, because many times maybe it's going to fill back in. It's not going to fill back in. The low is out here, and so this zone of precipitation is what we've got, and I don't see much happening along the coastline going forward. So it'll just move into northern Maine, and that's where the heavier snow will come down. Even this model's picking up on that, wrapping things up in Bangor, say 9, 10 o'clock. It's more like 11 or midnight across northern Maine. So additional snow yet to come here, nothing along the coastline, another inch or so in a place like Augusta and Bangor, and it's still giving us another 5 or 6 in Caribou. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the storm has enough teeth for that, but it's going to be the majority of the snow still yet to fall, I guess is the best way to put it, across northern Maine. After that, the story is that it's cold. We miss a storm on Friday, and it's very cold over the weekend. And unlike our last couple of systems that we've had, or really all the snow we've had this winter, there's nothing that I can see right behind it that's going to annihilate our snowpack. So that's a change. And you can see these temperatures are down quite a bit. Look at Saturday, high temp of 18, and there'll be colder spots than that. So a lot of positive stuff for winter weather enthusiasts here, because we'll be able to put a little bit more ice on things. We've got the snow that we'll be able to keep, but it will be cold overnight. And if you're going out this weekend thinking about playing in the snow, just, appropriate gear. We do kind of snap out of this Monday and Tuesday. I don't see anything major through mid next week, so we get a relatively quiet, just wintry stretch of weather.
Okay,
here.
finally.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've had a
Yes,
quiet.
just since last winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been that long. All right, Keith, thanks.